Now for our next function, we have average if. This time, we are asked to get the total average rating for classroom that is given by the students, specifically female student and male student. So this is our criteria. So we'll have the syntax start with the equal sign, the word average if, open parenthesis, highlight your first range where your criteria is found, comma, double quotation, and type your criteria. So we are asked to get the female ratings, so we are going to type the word female, double quotation, comma, and then the range that we are going to compute. Okay, and then close parenthesis, enter. So there you have it. We have the average rating for classroom given by female students is 3.5. Now let's try to check it manually. So how do we check it manually? So this would take time if you will do this, especially if you have a lot of data. But since gamay naman siya, we will try to check it. Equal sign, the word average, open parenthesis. Again, we are only going to compute the females rating to their classroom. This one, comma, and then this one, comma again, close parenthesis, and then enter. Oh, so yeah, we got the right answer. The average really is 3.5, but that process or that procedure would take time, especially if you are asked to get the total average coming from 100 or 1,000 students. So mas lisod na siya. So therefore, average if gyud atong gamiton. So we will try again for the male as our criteria. Male rather, equal sign, our function, the average if, open parenthesis, and then again, the range where your criteria is located, comma, double quotation, our criteria, double quotation, comma, and then the range that we are going to compute. Close, and then enter. So they have the same average rating for the classroom. Let's try to check it again. You might get mistaken. Okay. This time we are going to compute only the male's rating. So that one, this. Okay, close parenthesis and then click enter. And so yeah, they have the same rating, total average rating for